Hello to my all the book lovers. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted any video in a long format, and so here I am with new book recommendations for this cozy season of winters. So let's get started. So for our first book recommendation, you can read Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. I've already recommended some of her books before, and this is a perfect read for cozy winters where you are snuggling in your blanket and diving deep into this lovely, wholesome family life of Little Women's World. So do give this book a try. For the second book, you can read Little Princess. This is written by Frances Hudson Burnett, and it is a wonderful read, a story of a little girl who, due to the course of fortune or say misfortune, loses everything in her life, and with her courage, patience, and trust in God, she her faith changes, and how she witnessed some painful and some wonderful experiences in life. So you should definitely give it a try, especially during those wintry nights where you are just laying in your blanket in a dark room, feeling the chilliness in the air. This book feels like a hug, true hug, and it will also give you courage and hope in life. So yes, you must read this book in this winter season. And here comes our third recommendation, which is celebrating the true vibes of Christmas, and that is Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol. Yes, I love this book a lot. This is my must read during Christmas time. So you must also give Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens a try for sure this winter season. Let me just give you a little synopsis what this book is all about. Actually, it is a novella, and in this novella, Dickens explores a story of a very rude and miser man who is visited by three ghosts on Christmas Eve. So pretty interesting, right? For more information, you must read this book on your own. For the fourth book, you can read Little Prince. This is a wonderful classic literature piece in which can be read by any age group at any point of time. Not specifically during winters, but you can read it because it is very less in as far as the number of pages is also concerned. So you can finish it in your holidays for sure, and you can give it your children also. As far as the story of this book is concerned, it is a wonderful tale of a pilot getting lost in Sahara Desert and how he meets a young prince who comes from an asteroid. So I know it is very fascinating to hear about, and trust me, the whole tale is also quite fascinating and philosophical in nature. So yes, don't skip it for sure. And now a very unusual recommendation from my side for winter season is Twelfth Night by Shakespeare. Yes, you can read this classic piece. It is basically a play which is celebrating cross-dressing culture and is full of different type of meanings and experiences of society, and has some sarcastic bit of tone also. And even if you have not read Shakespeare yet, you can start with this book. It is a very easy read and wonderful read, and most importantly, it has that celebratory vibes into it, which resonates with Christmas because it celebrates the end of Christmas season. So yes, during this Christmas season, you can read this play also by William Shakespeare. And now, winters have a special charm as far as the genre of gothic literature and thriller is concerned. And for this, you can read Sherlock Holmes stories and Agatha Christie's novels also. Any of them, you can pick any of them, and I guarantee you that you will enjoy it the from cover to cover. They are that interesting and engaging and gripping. And apart from it, I have got a bonus book recommendation also, and this is from Ruskin Bond. You can read Ruskin Bond's any storybook, a collection of story, be it The Night the Train Stops at Shamli, The Trees Still Grow in Dehra, or the famous novella Blue Umbrella. One of them is also being made. So all these stories will make your winter season much better, and you will surely become a reader after reading all these books. So this is all from my side. I hope you like these recommendations. I tried a new way of filming a video also. So do read these books, and if you have any recommendation for me, do leave them in the comments. Thank you. Happy reading.